Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 40. During inflation, the appropriate fiscal measure to adopt is to A. Increase indirect taxes, B. Increase direct taxes, C. Reduce personal income tax, D. Increase government expenditure. Now, fiscal measures are basically used to control inflation by reducing the amount of money in circulation, and one of these fiscal measures includes increasing direct taxes. Another measure used to tackle inflation is to sell, when the government chooses to sell securities in the open market. Another is to raise bank rates, etc. So all these measures are used to tackle inflation, but among them the fiscal measure, as we have mentioned, is increasing direct taxes. And increasing direct taxes or increase direct taxes is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.